Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well. While everyone is chasing Bitcoin and Ethereum and other major cryptocurrencies, the real 5x, 10x, 20x opportunities are often hiding in plain sight. In today's video, I am going to share three underdog coins that are quietly building momentum, and they could absolutely surprise the market in 2025 or most probably in 2026. We will talk about what makes them strong, their key technical levels. And by the way, before the end of this video, I'll also show you the live charts as well to show you my price analysis and predictions and why I believe they have serious potential in the coming months. First up, we have Kaspa. The ticker or symbol of this coin is KAS. This is another proof of work project, and Kaspa uses a unique block DAG architecture which allows faster block confirmations compared to traditional blockchains. In other words, it's like a next gen version of Bitcoin, but much more scalable. We will also take a look at the Kaspa's live chart. But before that, I would like to talk about the next coin, and that is Celestia. The ticker of this coin is TIA. That is one of the leading names in the modular blockchain narrative. Instead of doing everything in one chain, Celestia focuses on data availability, basically providing a base layer for other blockchains to build faster and cheaper. And finally, let's talk about Verasity, the VRA coin. And by the way, in the recent days, I have shared so much detailed videos about this coin. You can also watch those videos as well. And this is, by the way, a small cap project that's been quietly improving its fundamentals. Verasity is working in the ad tech and gaming sectors, offering a blockchain based solution to fight ad fraud and improve transparency. Now we are on the live charts, and first of all, let's take a look at the price analysis of Kaspa. And by the way, before that, there are so many previous videos that I've been showing you that Kaspa formed a very long term and huge rising wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was one of those videos back in June before. I've been telling you in those days that this is a bearish bias move, therefore there are chances that the price and may break down the spread. You can see that after the breakdown had a big drop. Our technical target for this breakdown from this rising wedge pattern was here at the bottom of the wedge. That was approximately at 2.4 cents, and we had a spike beyond that target to the downside. Now, recently you can see that it's once again rejected by this downtrend, and it's just many times the pricing is rejected by this resistance, and we found this resistance here in the month of July 2024, and the pricing is forming lower highs. You can got rejection here and here for a while. The price and moved above this resistance but could not break it out. By the way, another rejection was happening here as well. This one. Then we had this fake out and the price and again broke it down. We got another rejection here, and this is the most recent rejection that happened here in the month of July 2025. Now it is dropped down here at the key support zone. That starts from 5.26 cents and goes to 4.8 cents. It has been previously acting as a resistance line here, and now for the past several months, it's acting as a support line. In case of another reversal from here, you can see that the candlestick has already visited the oversold zone and turned bullish. Therefore, there is a probability that soon we may see that the price and may make another attempt to break out this downtrend resistance, and this time it can hit this resistance here approximately at 9.4 for 10 cents. By the way, at 10 cents, we also have a quite long-term price level resistance as well that has been previously acting as a very strong support, and now it can act as a resistance. And once the price line will be able to break out this downtrend and resistance and break out this 10 cents, then I'm expecting that soon it can hit this highest resistance for Caspa that is approximately at 20 cents. That will be a big jump, by the way. And once Kaspa will be able to break out this 20 cents, then it can start a very massive and long-term move. Now let's take a look at the price analysis of TIA. But before continue with this video, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, for daily trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of September 2025. In the video's description, you can also open that report. And for example, if you would like to check or verify any trading signal mentioned in this report, just need to click on the link for the trade setup, like this, the trade setup for Zcash. Then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on that chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal for Zcash I shared on 19th of September. And here you can also want the complete trade setup as well. Like there's the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of TIA. And this is the daily time frame chart. Recently, we had a bad situation because it has broken down this down channel. That is considered as a bullish path move. But in this case, due to recent market volatility on the 10th of October 25, we have broken down the support. And by the way, the technical target for this breakdown to the downside as per this measurement was here. That was approximately at this long-term downtrend and support. That is, in fact, the support of a huge falling wedge pattern, approximately at 86 cents. And you said the price then dropped more than this expected target. We had a very, very long spike where the price then recovered back recently. Now still moving at this support of the big falling wedge pattern. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, that moving inside this wedge since after month of Feb 24 and forming lower lows and lower highs. Here we had a fake up with the price and wedge. And this is another bullish path move. Therefore, there is a probability that soon we may see a bounce from this support of the wedge. And this time it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at $1.68. But in case of breaking out this huge resistance, it can start a very, very massive rally. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge here at the top of the bed, that will be approximately at $21. Now let's take a look at the live chart of Verasity. This is the 7 day time chart. You can see that it has formed a very, very huge down channel. While moving inside this channel, it is also breaking out different other bullish path moves. Like it broke out this huge wedge. Then we had a nice rally. And if I place this measurement tool, then you can see that from this low of December 2022 up till this high, of March 2024, it rallied more than 572%. And during this rally, it broke out another smaller wedge. And then it was stuck inside this channel. You can see that it is rejected. It was rejected at that time by the resistance of this huge down channel. By the way, this resistance was found here in the month of October 2021. And we had a bounce here, rejection, bounce, rejection. And after the breakout from this channel, we had another rejection by the resistance of the channel. Now, recently, you can see that once again, it is bounced from the support of this channel. Now, we need to break out this downtrend and resistance that had been previously acting as a resistance of this descending triangle that was formed here in the month of November 2024, from the month of April 2024 up till the month of November 2024. And after the breakout, we had a nice pump, but the price then was again rejected by this resistance of the channel. Now, again, this downtrend line is acting as a resistance. That was, in fact, the resistance of this previous down channel. First, we will need to break it out, and this time it can hit the resistance somewhere here, approximately at $0.0013. And this time it can hit the resistance of the channel somewhere here, approximately at $0.0038. You can see that every time, whenever it is getting bounced on the support of the channel, it is visiting the resistance. Therefore, this time again, it can visit the resistance or hit the resistance up to here. And once Verasity will be able to break out this huge resistance, then it can start a very, very massive rally. And the long-term target and the technical target for this breakout will be here at the top of the channel. That will be somewhere between 9 cents to 10 cents. So this is all the updates so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video description. You can take care. Goodbye.